Morning everybody, Marcus Campbell with Terralta and AirTech. Just doing a whole home renovation for a good friend of ours. Just kind of at the rough end stage and getting close to covering everything up. On the inside of here, so we worked closely with our good friends at Cypress Custom Sheet Metal, Sean and Darren. Did a great job doing all the ductwork for us. So what we got going on here is we got an air ease, stainless steel heat exchanger, lifetime warranty, 10-year parts and labor. And then in the corner here, we've got some radiant floor heat going on with the lock and bar boiler, which is also going to do all of the domestic hot water heating needs. Water line manifold, all the gas. And then our fabulous electrical team over at Terralta has done all the wiring inside of the house here. So just a little bit of a status update. If anybody's looking for whole home renovations, everything from plumbing, mechanical, and electrical, we are the group to do it for you. Thanks for stopping in.